The Acclimate Combo Fold Axe is a premium multi-tool engineered for survivalists and outdoor professionals. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum and stainless steel, it combines an axe, hammer, spade, and tactical knife in one compact design. Its foldable mechanism ensures portability without compromising strength, while the ergonomic handle offers superior control in demanding environments. Built to military-grade durability, the Combarn Fold Axe is the ultimate companion for camping, rescue missions, and off-grid exploration. The Uberleben Tindor Wick is a reusable fire starter that merges traditional reliability with modern convenience. Featuring a ferrocerium rod and a paracord-wrapped wick housing, it provides instant flame ignition in any weather. Designed for adventurers and survivalists, its minimalist yet rugged design ensures long-term use without chemicals or fuel. Lightweight and efficient, the Tindor delivers dependable fire-starting capability, making it an essential addition to every outdoor or emergency kit. The Paleos barefoot shoes offer the most natural running experience by replicating the freedom of being barefoot while protecting your feet from sharp surfaces. Made from high-grade stainless steel mesh and flexible soles, they adapt seamlessly to your movement on land or in water. Perfect for athletes, hikers, and water explorers, the Paleos promote natural biomechanics and sensory feedback, reducing fatigue while increasing stability and traction in all terrains. The Gravity Hook is an innovative hybrid between a grappling hook and a multi-tool. Constructed from hardened stainless steel, it automatically closes upon impact to grip and retrieve objects securely. Compact and foldable, it's ideal for climbing, recovery, or emergency use. The Gravity Hook's mechanical simplicity and strength make it a favorite among tactical users, adventurers, and rescue professionals who need a reliable, mechanical solution in unpredictable situations. The Armed ST is a tactical self-defense and rescue tool designed for versatility and durability. Built with aerospace-grade materials, it features a glass breaker, serrated edge, and ergonomic handle for swift deployment in emergencies. Compact enough for everyday carry, yet powerful enough for survival use, the Armed ST combines practicality with precision engineering, offering reliability when it matters most, whether in the field, vehicle, or outdoor adventure. Strapsy is a next-generation utility strap system designed for strength, simplicity, and reusability. Made from reinforced elastic polymer and aircraft-grade hooks, it secures gear, tools, or luggage with unmatched grip and flexibility. Unlike traditional bungee cords, straps offer adjustable tension and quick-release capability, ensuring convenience and safety. Ideal for travelers, campers, or tradesmen, it's a smart upgrade to everyday load management and outdoor organization. The Nordic Pocket Saw brings professional cutting power in a compact, portable form. Designed in Sweden, it features heat-treated high-carbon steel teeth that can cut through wood, plastic, or bone with ease. Its heavy-duty nylon handles ensure a comfortable grip, even in wet conditions. Weighing under 150 grams, it's perfect for survivalists and campers who demand lightweight efficiency without sacrificing performance. A true essential for wilderness preparation. The Survivor Filter Pro is a compact, professional-grade water filtration system built for adventurers, preppers, and emergency responders. Using a triple filtration process cotton, carbon, and 0.01 micron ultrafilter, it removes 99.999% of bacteria, parasites, and heavy metals. Its durable design and high flow rate make it ideal for long expeditions or disaster scenarios. Compact, lightweight, and reliable, the Survivor Filter Pro ensures access to clean drinking water anywhere on Earth. The Pocket Shot Arrow Kit redefines portable archery with its compact circular slingshot design. Built from reinforced polymer and latex, it can shoot arrows or pellets at remarkable speeds. Easy to load and fast to aim, the kit includes a D-loop and whisker biscuit for precision and stability. Perfect for recreational archery, small game hunting, or survival training, the Pocket Shot delivers power and accuracy in the palm of your hand. Jaw batteries represents the next step in portable power innovation. Designed for high-performance tools and outdoor gear, these compact lithium-ion batteries deliver exceptional energy density and fast-charging capabilities. Their rugged, water-resistant housing ensures reliability in harsh environments, while smart circuit protection enhances safety. Ideal for professionals and explorers alike, Jaw batteries provide consistent, efficient energy where traditional power sources fall short. The modern-day caveman fishing kit is a compact survival tool that redefines primitive fishing. Contained in a durable, waterproof case, it includes premium hooks, lines, sinkers, and lures engineered for versatility in both freshwater and saltwater environments. Built for off-grid living and bushcraft enthusiasts, this kit combines rugged practicality with tactical design. Its lightweight yet comprehensive layout ensures you can catch food in emergencies or remote expeditions. Every component is precision-crafted for durability, making it a dependable choice for adventurers who demand efficiency and self-reliance in the wild. The pocket shot is a revolutionary evolution of the traditional slingshot, designed for high-velocity performance and portability. Constructed from durable composite materials, it fires projectiles at speeds exceeding 300 feet per second. Its circular frame and elastic pouch deliver superior accuracy and power in a compact design that fits in your pocket. Ideal for recreational use, hunting, or emergency defense, the pocket shot is simple, fast, and extremely effective. The interchangeable pouches allow different shooting styles, ensuring maximum adaptability for any environment or skill level. The Starship Seer is a futuristic telescope system, merging advanced optics with AI-driven object tracking. Designed for explorers, astronomers, and innovators, it provides real-time celestial mapping and automated alignment for unmatched clarity. Its lightweight carbon frame and foldable design make it ideal for portable observation, while integrated sensors optimize image correction under variable conditions. The Seer transforms stargazing into an intelligent, immersive experience, offering professional-grade precision for enthusiasts who seek to understand the universe with elegance and ease. The Moondial is an extraordinary fusion of horology and astronomy, a modern timepiece that captures lunar cycles with mechanical precision. Crafted from aerospace-grade titanium and sapphire crystal, it displays both solar and lunar time, synchronized through intricate gearing. Designed for collectors and dreamers alike, the Moondial embodies art, science, and engineering in one elegant form. Its luminescent indicators and minimalist design make it a symbol of cosmic harmony, turning timekeeping into a celestial experience that connects wearers to the rhythm of the universe. Super Hexavision redefines immersive display technology with its ultra-high-resolution panoramic interface. Built for simulation, design, and data visualization, it utilizes modular OLED panels to create an all-encompassing workspace that responds to user gestures and eye movement. Ideal for engineers, gamers, and creatives, it offers stunning visual fidelity with near-zero latency. The system's adaptive curvature and AI-assisted color calibration make Super Hexavision not just a screen but an extension of human perception, merging digital precision with artistic fluidity. Albo is a compact home robotics system designed to bring intelligence, convenience, and personality into everyday living. Equipped with voice interaction, motion tracking, and emotion recognition, Albo serves as a personal assistant, learning from your habits to enhance comfort and efficiency. Whether managing home automation, delivering reminders, or providing companionship, its smooth design and AI-driven behavior make it an elegant blend of technology and empathy. Albo represents the next generation of social robotics, functional, friendly, and emotionally aware. The Woobin X2 is a high-performance EDC flashlight built for adventurers and professionals. With a stunning 2,500 lumen output powered by dual LEDs, it combines tactical strength with minimalist design. The aluminum alloy body ensures durability while remaining lightweight and compact. Featuring multiple brightness modes, fast USB-C charging, and magnetic tailcap mounting, it's engineered for efficiency in any condition. Whether for rescue operations, night trekking, or technical work, the Woobin 10-2 delivers unmatched illumination and reliability in one sleek form. The Screwdriver King is the ultimate compact screwdriver system engineered for versatility and endurance. It integrates multiple precision bits within a durable magnetic body, ensuring quick swaps and secure attachment. Designed for professionals, engineers, and hobbyists, it provides perfect torque control in a pocket-sized form. The ergonomic grip and corrosion-resistant construction make it ideal for both workshop and field repairs. Screwdriver King is not just a tool, it's a revolution in microengineering efficiency, bringing industrial precision to the palm of your hand. UpCore is a compact, yet powerful portable power system designed for creators, travelers, and professionals on the move. Featuring next-gen lithium technology, it offers high-capacity charging for laptops, drones, and mobile devices. Its intelligent temperature regulation and fast USB-C PD output ensure safe, efficient performance. The rugged, minimalist casing provides durability for outdoor or industrial use. Combining smart energy management with sleek portability, UpCore represents a new era of sustainable, high-performance mobile power solutions. The Cynix Aurora Sport is a groundbreaking digital night vision camera that lets users see, record, and share their adventures in full color, even in near-total darkness. Utilizing advanced CMOS sensor technology, it captures high-definition footage with exceptional clarity and low-light sensitivity. Waterproof and compact, it's ideal for boating, camping, or tactical use. Integrated Wi-Fi and GPS enable real-time sharing and geotagging. The Aurora Sport transforms night exploration into a vibrant visual experience, merging innovation with exploration. The Boosted Safe is a next-generation smart security vault, integrating biometric authentication and cloud connectivity. Crafted from reinforced alloy with tamper detection, it provides instant access through fingerprint, PIN, or smartphone control. Its compact design fits seamlessly in vehicles, homes, or offices. Beyond security, it offers analytics and battery monitoring through a dedicated app. Engineered for reliability and discretion, the Boosted Safe is ideal for protecting valuables and firearms in both civilian and professional applications. The Lindo doorbell reimagines home entry systems with intelligent design and cutting-edge AI recognition. Equipped with a 2 Kelvins HDR camera, two-way audio, and facial identification, it delivers enhanced security and convenience. Users can manage access remotely via mobile app while receiving real-time notifications. Its sleek, weatherproof frame complements any home aesthetic. Lindo combines style, innovation, and safety, offering a smarter way to interact with visitors and maintain peace of mind in modern living environments. Lifesaver is a multifunctional emergency survival tool powered by human energy. By cranking or shaking, users generate electricity to power its flashlight, radio, and USB charger, eliminating dependency on external power sources. It also includes a siren and UV sterilizer, making it ideal for disaster preparedness and outdoor survival. Built from aerospace-grade materials, it's water-resistant, durable, and compact. The Lifesaver empowers self-reliance, ensuring light, power, and safety no matter where you are on the planet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.